Welcome back to Family FinServ Investor Academy. Wealth creation knowledge made simple. Our life is like a roller coaster ride with many ups and downs. And financial planning is a tool that can help you smoothen your ride. Whether you have started your job or are in your 30s or 40s, it is important to have a good financial plan to secure your existing and your future life. Financial planning helps you build a roadmap for your financial journey to achieve your financial goals. But what exactly is financial planning? Financial planning simply is the process that helps in managing your financial resources to achieve your short as well as your long term goals. It entails assessing your current financial situation, establishing financial goals, short term as well as long term, understanding your risk appetite, devising a strategy to achieve those goals. And it helps you in making informed decisions to allocate your funds properly. Many investors think that if they are able to save money, they will have financial security. Unfortunately, saving is not enough. Let us assume an average lifespan of 75 to 80 years. Your needs for the first 20 to 25 years of your life are taken care of by your parents. Your working life will typically be about 35 years long, during which you will have to take care not just of your needs but your family's needs as well. And then you would also have to save enough to take care of your needs during the last 15 to 25 years of your retired lives. But do you know that inflation reduces the purchasing power of money in the long term? And therefore, your money needs to grow at a faster rate than inflation if you want to achieve all your financial life goals. And here, we are not just talking about the inflation numbers that are showcased by the government, but you will also need to add lifestyle inflation to the government number. So, knowing how much to save and invest and where to invest so that you can grow your money faster than inflation in order to meet all your aspirations is of very critical importance. Taking the first step is to understand what exactly we mean by financial well-being and taking a deep dive into the understanding of the five pillars of financial well-being. So let us look at what exactly we mean by financial well-being. It is a sense of security, direction, confidence about having financial resources to meet your financial life goals, that is, needs, wants, dreams, and legacy. So let us now understand the financial life goals pyramid in brief. At the bottom of the pyramid, the largest portion is needs. These are your day to day, weekly, and monthly expenses, or maybe they could also be yearly expenses. But these are all your basic necessities in life so that you and your family can lead a comfortable life today. Without fulfilling these needs, we cannot proceed ahead with the next levels in the pyramid. Some of the examples are your living expenses, education expenses, transport expenses, travel, taxes, insurance, etc. The next in line in the pyramid is the wants. People can live without these, but as the income rises, all the wants almost become a need. These are future goals for which most of the investments are done. Most of these wants can be achieved with regular systematic investments or an EMI. But mind you, you should make the choice carefully. The next in line is dreams. Most of us are emotionally attached to these aspirations. But you can only think of these dreams when your needs and your wants are fulfilled. And some of the examples are You want to have your own startup, you want to do some charity, you want financial freedom, you want to travel the world along with your family. Now, what you need to understand is that achieving your dreams is far better than wealth creation without any purpose. And the final is the legacy. This means passing on your wealth to the next generations or to charity. But do not compromise on your wants and dreams for the sake of legacy. In short, what you need to understand is needs, wants, and dreams are basically consumption within your lifetime, whereas legacy is to conserve your wealth so that you can pass it on to the next generations as required. Having this financial life goals pyramid always at the top of your mind will give you complete clarity and is an extremely critical step towards managing your money better and leading a stress free financial life. Once you have understood this pyramid, the next concept which will start giving birth to your financial roadmap towards a better financial future are the 5 pillars of financial well being. Each one of us goes through different financial life stages, from being financially dependent on our parents to starting your earning journey, then moving on to your marriage and family life and supporting your children, and then inching towards your second innings of retirement. We need to understand that each of these stages in our financial life has different requirements. And as a result, the 5 pillars we are going to discuss will need to be adjusted and reviewed at each of these stages in our life. Pillar number 1, organizing your financial life. Pillar number 2, budgeting and money management. Pillar number 3, protection. Pillar number 4, savings and investing. Pillar number 5, monitoring and reviewing. In the next videos, we will deep dive into each of these 5 pillars of financial well-being. Until then, thank you for watching, and for more such interesting and simple videos on basics of personal finance, subscribe to our channel.